Document-level sentiment is almost worthless for product reviews. One review praises battery life but trashes the screen. A single overall score hides both signals. Azure AI Language opinion mining tags each aspect separately. This is for engineers building review analytics pipelines. One call returns targets, opinions, and confidence scores per aspect. Here's what we dissect across this reference design. First, the components and how a review flows through them. Second, the actual Python call that extracts aspects. Third, the failure modes that quietly corrupt results. One default silently drops every opinion you wanted. That gotcha lands a few scenes from now. Reviews land in Blob Storage as they arrive. A function trigger fires on each new batch of files. The function calls Azure AI Language for opinion mining. Structured aspects get written to Cosmos DB for querying. Key Vault holds the endpoint secret, reached through managed identity. No keys live in code or app settings. Here's the call inside the function. You pass a batch of reviews to analyze sentiment. The critical flag is show opinion mining set to true. Leave it off and you get sentences without aspects. Each mined opinion exposes a target and its sentiment. Default Azure credential pulls the token from managed identity. The response nests deeper than most people expect. Each document holds sentences with their own sentiment. Inside sentences sit mined opinions, the actual aspects. A target is the thing, like screen or battery. Assessments are the words describing it, each with confidence. You write target text, sentiment, and score straight to Cosmos. Now the failure modes. The big one. Forgetting show opinion mining returns 0 aspects. No error fires, your data just lacks opinions. Batches cap at 10 documents and roughly 5,000 characters each. Oversized reviews get truncated and silently lose late aspects. Heavy traffic hits the 429 throttle, so add retry with backoff. Now the design trade-off the architect weighed. Real time per review means low latency but constant throttle risk. Nightly batch chunks reviews into tens, smoothing your rate limits. For dashboards, batch is cheaper and simpler to operate. Choose real time only when minutes actually matter. Pricing tiers shift, so confirm limits in current Azure docs. Recap the design. Blob to function to AI language to Cosmos. Opinion mining gives sentiment per aspect, not per review. Set show opinion mining or your aspects vanish. Respect the 10 document batch and add backoff. Try it on 100 real reviews this week. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.